So it's New Year's, it's 2023. We're getting into a new year, and this year I want to make it a point to get out quality content, you guys, get directly to the point, and then I'll go ahead and show you. So let's go ahead and get started here. So I'm going to record my screen here, and I'm going to go to Trading View, and we're going to keep things real simple, right? So this is gold. On gold, what I'm anticipating this week is a pullback and then a bounce up. I just think gold's going to keep going up just because we've been going up in an uptrend for a while. I'll go ahead and pull up my other pairs here, and I'll click through just to show you guys the stuff I think is going to happen. GBP AUD, I'm thinking we're going to continue down. I'm going to be waiting on a pullback probably to right here because we have this little zone right here of support resistance. So price could come back there and retest, and it would also be a nice pullback within the trend. Euro USD, we're kind of really overextended to the upside. We could also bounce somewhere around these highs. So I think I'm going to be staying away from sells for now, and what I'll do is I'm going to move my alert right up to here. That way if we get a pullback here on Euro USD, I would buy right there. My invalidation for that, if I'm wrong, will be just under here. That's where I'll place a hedge order, and if I'm wrong, it'll get hedged and I'll wait for the next setup. But aside from that, I think Euro USD is going to be going up, at least for now. There could be a major trend reversal here, but the trend is still intact, so I'm going to leave it there. Euro GBP, so this is a cool one. So here's the thing. Whenever you're trading and you're trying to decide what you should do, should I short at resistance, should I buy at support? One thing you still want to keep in mind is don't completely ignore the trend. If you see that there's a really clear trend in place and something is just straight up going up and up and up and up and up, yeah, you're probably going to be better off just looking for buys in the meantime and then waiting for maybe a really extreme, like a daily support resistance level, to then maybe take the flip side of the market, take the little bounce in the reverse. But this right here on GBP AUD, it's Euro GBP. It's just clear as day it's an uptrend. In the close friends group, link in the description, I've called 2 trades on this within the past month. I think it was the past 3 weeks. They were both buys and they both won. And why? Because this thing is in a clear uptrend. So with this right here, I'm just simply going to be waiting for a pullback to go up, but honestly it shouldn't really break past these lows. In fact, I may go ahead and just get net long on this right now and be long all the way up here to the next zone. By the way, I call all these in my free Telegram channel. If you're not in my free Telegram channel, you can hit the link in the description of this video and it'll essentially take you to my website. It's a real simple website, and it will essentially just give you access to my free training, and I'll have all the relevant links there, like for my free Telegram channel. But I share all this analysis every day for free in my Telegram. Make sure you check it out, link in the description. So we're going to go next. I'm going to do a few more for you guys. I'll call all the details out in Telegram as usual. But GBP CHF, I'm thinking we're going to still continue down. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and just take this alert off because it's not necessary. If we go down from here, this is kind of where I would expect it to go. If we break past this previous high, it's no longer going to be in a clear downtrend anymore. So that's why my invalidation is just above there. But I'm going to go ahead and get net long on GBP CHF. Euro Canadian dollar, I'm net long right now, and I'm actually waiting to add if it pulls back a little bit more. Somewhere like right in here would be good, because if that happens, it would be a nice pullback, and then you could enter, and then you could have an invalidation like just below, like essentially these lows, this little support resistance zone right here. So that would be where my invalidation is at on that one. So one of the last ones I'm looking at here is USD JPY. This thing could bounce here. I called a little setup last week in the free Telegram channel, and I thought this would go down. It ended up pulling back and then going down just as I thought it would. That's in the Telegram channel from last week if you just scroll up in the free Telegram channel. And then as far as trades go, we could bounce right here, a major bounce as support right here. So the price could just as easily fall through, and then if it does, I'm going to take a break and then a retest pullback trade to enter a sell on the retest if it comes back. So 2 scenarios that can happen. This is another one of those examples where you don't really want to ignore the trend. And then the last thing we'll look at, one of the last things, yeah, this is the last one, GBP JPY. Same situation except USD JPY, except we've already broken through the support, the major support right there. We've hooked back around, tested and bounced. This thing is holding its downtrend. So if I were you this week, at least for right now, I wouldn't necessarily be looking for buys on GBP JPY. I would really only be looking for sells just for the meantime. You could like if it makes a lower low, wait for a pullback to the last support resistance zone or higher, and then let it pull back and bounce and go up and down. this thing, it's like, I mean, it's pretty simple. Just follow the trend. The trend is your friend until it ends, so try not to trade trend trades if price is bouncing at like a major support. Like for example, this is like, if you scroll out to the daily or weekly, this area here, if price is pulled down into here and then starts retracing back upwards, I wouldn't be looking to short something like that just because you're at a previous huge area where price is likely to bounce at. But in the meantime, I mean, taking sell trades on the way down is perfectly fine. So that's it. That's all I'm looking at for this week. Those were a few of the trades that I'm already in. All I'm going to be doing for the rest of this week really is I'm getting a lot of stuff rolled out for this new year. I'm spending a lot of time relaxing with my girlfriend Bonnie, who's recording this, and my dog Ruby right here, who is like half asleep. I think are you asleep? Yeah, she's had a long day. We went on a lot of walks. So I appreciate you guys watching my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys being here. I'm having a ton of fun running my channel. I'm going to be making a lot of cool videos the rest of this year. I'm having a ton of fun sharing value in the free Telegram channel, a ton of fun with my clients and all our various Mission FX products, and it's all because of you guys. So thanks to you guys. I love what I do, and I love sharing content like this and helping you guys out. So y'all have a great rest of the trading week, and I am going to go to sleep. So I will catch you guys later. Y'all have a great rest of the day. Bye.